Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Dexter in Pennsylvania. Dexter, we got you ready to go. This 2995 dxHP, full Truckerized, wideband transmit receive, all the audio mods, power mods, voltage regulator upgrade, clarifier mod, high cut filter on the back, you name it, it's got it. We're going to start with our power all the way down using this beautiful carbon fiber of a static 636L and the mic adapter you get. There you go, 250 watt slug. There's 5 watts all the way down. 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. Oh. There we go, about 140. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello. Woo. About 620. All right, Dexter, this thing's rocking and rolling. We're going to roll it out the door to you. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.